Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's LeadsLeap review video, we're going to look at a brand new feature by LeadsLeap, just recently released. This platform goes from strength to strength, and there'll be a link in the description where you can join totally for free. And you'll see here on the LeadsLeap blog, the new feature is called Loop Back Your Email Series. And the beauty of this is that it automates your email marketing even more. So the more you can do that with any tools, the more commissions you're going to earn and the more free time you're going to have to spend those commissions. So let's have a look here how it actually works. They give you an example that says, say you've created a 5-part e-course for your opt-in subscribers. So subsequently, you've prepared a series of follow-up emails. It doesn't have to be an e-course, it can just be an email series in general that you've actually set up. And they're giving an example here of an email series day 50 up to day 50 and so on. So just giving you an example there of an email series. Now this is really where the magic happens. It says previously you have had to add more follow-up emails if you wanted to continue with the follow-up process. But now with the new loop back function, you can simply do this. So let's say, as an example, before your email series would finish on day 50, you can choose at any stage here, and all you do is here, you can on day 45, so just before it's about to finish, you can loop back to any day you want and start again with that email series and repeat that email series. Because sometimes for people to join your product, join your service, or buy something from you, then they need to see it over and over again. But also the timing needs to be right. And with email marketing, everything's all about timing. They always say that when the student is ready, the teacher will appear. So what that means is when the time's right for someone to buy and learn from you, then and only then will they actually take action. So they may have before actually had a look at your email series and thought, well, I'll come to that back to that in 3 months' time. But they get sidetracked and they look at something else, they forget all about it. But now with the loop series, they can actually get the follow-ups continually coming in, the constant reminders of who you are and what you do, and that actually automates the business and your follow-ups. So with this, following up is now truly on autopilot. And we've even got a little sort of tutorial here on how to use. So they've done a little a tutorial, getting tongue twisted there. Tutorial on how to use. So LeadsLeap is very good with their tutorials, and very simple, just a case of looping back, and you can even have a function here where if you want to do, you can even skip certain days in the loop back as well. So it's quite an advanced little tool, and they also give you a word of caution, so you're not going to start looping back on a 5-part e-course. It'd be weird to keep on receiving 1 to 5 again and again. So they give you some tips and advice on how to actually use this tool correctly. So LeadsLeap is free to join. There'll be a link in the description. I want to very, very quickly show you today, if you're not familiar with LeadsLeap, how you can use some of the free tools before you even sign up for an account. So all you do is you go on to free tools, and then you just scroll down. And if you want to have a look and you want to try the landing page builder, click on landing page builder, and you can play around here. Once it loads up, you can play around here with the landing page builder, and you've got a user guide, you've got all different templates, when it loads up here, the user guide, once I go onto a template here, then it actually brings up a user guide in the top right hand corner. So the great thing about LeadsLeap, they're really very helpful. You'll see their user guide in the top right hand corner, step by step on how to actually use this. And then if you want to have a look and you want to try and use the pop-up expert, which is a little free tool we use to list build and get more opt-ins, you can click on there and you can try the pop-up generator as well. So LeadsLeap is great. They give you all the free tools. They even let you use some of the free tools before you even decide that you actually want to use them. Let's have a look here. Choose a list manager. I'm not collecting email. All you would do is you go into template and again have a look at the template and just play around here, initializing. And top right hand corner, it's got quick demo, it's got full demo. Once it loads, you've got a user guide again on how to actually use this. So don't get overwhelmed if you're brand new. It just gives you exactly step by step on how to use LeadsLeap. So if you've got any questions, then put those in the comments below. LeadsLeap is free to join. There'll be a link in the description. Have a play around with those free tools before you decide you want to join up and sign up for a free account. All the free tools are here, free quality tools to build any online business. I use these every single day for my online marketing. Even as free members, you can earn residual income. So if you want to promote LeadsLeap, everyone needs more tools and everyone needs more traffic. So you can promote LeadsLeap and you can earn residual income even as a free member for any of your referrals that upgrade to the pro like I did. And LeadsLeap, so I'm getting a bit tongue-tied today. LeadsLeap is a great tool. Even within the advertising platform, you're advertising to buyers. So I'll give you one-to-one mentoring and support if you need any help with that, because I use the LeadsLeap platform every single day. If you enjoyed the video, then please give me a like and a big blue thumbs up. That will help support me on my YouTube journey. So I'd really appreciate that. It would also help other people see this video as well with the YouTube algorithm. And please click subscribe and click the bell icon for new videos. So I've done now over 350 videos on my channel, and I create several new videos every single week. And we've got lots of videos on affiliate network marketing, making money online. So tools, traffic, training, the core fundamentals of what you need, list building, marketing systems. There's maybe some opportunities on here that you want to, might be of interest to you. List building, proof of results with what's working. And I've also done a LeadsLeap review playlist. So if I can just find that somewhere on here, I'll show you where that is. I'll pin this playlist to the top comment below this video. I've currently done 14 review videos there in the LeadsLeap review playlist. So that will be pinned to the top comment below this video if you want to click on the playlist and have a look at some more of my reviews all about LeadsLeap. And any questions on LeadsLeap, leave those in the comments below and I'll answer all your questions for you. And thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks a lot and bye for now.